Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to take a quick look at the relational operators in Java. Very simple stuff to check whether two numbers are equal, whether they are not equal, which number is greater, which number is less, and stuff like that. There are some symbols which we need to know if you do not know already. Say for equality, we have this double equal to sign. If I want to check whether num1 is equal to num2, I will use something like this. To check whether they are not equal, to create a condition to check whether num1 is not equal to num2, the way we will do it is like this, not equal to sign, and then in the brackets we will write num1 not equal to num2. And if I want to check whether num1 is greater than num2, the sign is this, and the way we will use it is yes, num1 greater than num2. And for less than, we have this sign which will say num1 less than num2. And if we want to check that num1 is greater than or equal to, then all we need to do is just add this equal to sign, and it will take num1 is greater than or equal to num2, then the condition will be true. And similarly, to make it num1 less than or equal to num2, we will add this equal to sign over here. So as simple as these. To check whether they are equal, we will use this double equal to sign and an exclamatory mark and equal to sign for not equal, and greater than and less than. That's it.